when we are opening this app, make sure that your internet connection is good. Now here I had to make the ID as a teachment as a student, so of course I'm going to enter the mobile number to make the ID as a student. Okay, next you can see it is saying that he will send the OTP on this number. So of course we will wait for the OTP. I will submit the OTP. Here you can see student, teacher, parent and admin. Of course I am making this ID as a student, so you will press on the student app and then I will continue. You can write your name as a student, so whatever is your name you can write it down. When you have to make the user ID, you see username should be between 6 to 20 characters long. Only allow alphanumeric character, dot, dash and underscore. So I will make it a user ID like this and I will make sure that it accept it. You can see that the account has been created here. Yeah, now it is saying that join your institute. So of course we will see that whatever you can have the ID that is given by your teacher. Right now I am putting the ID. Like for example, if I'll send you the ID of some English class, for example, I will send you the ID on the same number. Let me send the ID like this. You can see I got the message on the WhatsApp by my official number. I will press on this. Here it's a link and it's a classroom ID. You can directly put the classroom ID also, or you just press on this link. When you will press on this link, you will automatically go to the institute. You can see English class approval pending. So here when I will give you the approval, then